Sabi ko sa'yo dati, hindi pa ako ready. Kasi ayoko pa muna, gusto ko muna iwan ng past completely. Pero bakit ganon nung wala ka na? Bigla kitang hinanap, akala ko okay na. Hindi ka na nagparamdam, at doon ko lang naramdaman na may tinatago pala akong feelings na hindi ko man lang sinabi noon. Cause now I realize something na hindi ko nasabi. I liked you more than I thought, but now it's ending. Every time I remember the reason, pakiramdam ko ang tanga ko. Kasi habang pilit akong lumalayo, mas lalo pala kitang minahal. It's been too late na siguro to tell you how much I need you now, how much I love you so. At kahit anong gawin ko, hindi na mababalik ang dati. Kasi may iba ka na ngayon, and I'm left with memories. I just regret everything I realized. When you fall for someone, even when you're not ready, once it happens, you can't stop anymore. Akala ko mas mabuting mag-let go kaysa ituloy pa ito. Pero mali pala ako, kasi sobrang sakit makita kang may kasama ng iba. And lately I've been realizing how much I really miss you. Yung mga bagay na dati normal lang, ngayon hinahanap-hanap ko. Kung pwede lang ibalik ang oras, hindi na sana kita pinakawalan. Pero huli na ang lahat, too late na para sa atin. It's been too late na siguro to tell you what I truly feel, na ikaw pa rin hanggang ngayon, kahit wala ka na sa'kin. And now I'm standing here alone with all the words I couldn't say.